Good morning and welcome back to another video on the SpeedGarage channel. Today we're gonna show you guys my friend's car, one of the guys that lives here in the house with us. He has a 2009 E63 AMG. Really, someone has to call me right now. I gotta take this, give me a sec. Alrighty, back to what I was talking about. So this is a 2009 E63 AMG. He's having a problem with the airbags not working. It's leaking air somewhere. I guess it's a really common problem for these cars. So we're gonna take it apart. It's leaking somewhere in the rear. Somewhere in the rear, so that you guys can see how low it is. But he'll start it up and we'll show you guys what it's doing. Get a little cold start. Oh yeah! He's cold. So you guys can hear it's leaking air. So that's what it's doing. It's pumping air, and then it realizes there's a leak, and it shuts off the compressor. Now this thing is like slammed to the ground, and it just goes up and down. So, you try fixing it with the shovel there.
Yeah, where do I start digging? Where are we gonna bury it? Right here.
Oh, perfect.
Maybe we needed something there.
So we're gonna see what's up with this thing. What was that?
It's a Mercedes, that's what's wrong with it.
Is it rubbing something?
Yeah.
Give it some juice. Oh yeah. Damn. Not too shabby there, Baines. You have to start it.
Oh, this hose is completely off.
And there you go. That's probably your problem. His hose is off.
Right.
It sounds like a hose too, like, or I mean, it could sound like the airbag, but see, it's completely off. Should be an easy fix.
Already fixed. Consider it fixed.
Okay. Where's it connect to? Where's the other side of it?
I think I'm gonna take this panel off.
Well, reach in there maybe.
It's just right here. It goes into this hole.
Where's the shovel? Easy peasy done.
Maybe it just needs to be cut and shoved back in there.
Let's see what happens.
Just stick it in hard enough.
Yep, works.
Huh? I think so.
Yep.
Yeah, it's not leaking anymore. Let me get the
Zip tie.
Permanent solution. Probably next time buy
An Audi or something.
A BMW, no thanks.
An Audi. Audi. Yeah.
all right, so it looks like it was just this little hose. Let me see if I can set the flashlight and show you guys if you can't tell. It's this hose right there that came off. Last time he just had a hole in this bag right here. He actually has it, we'll show you guys.
What it looks like.
So, yeah, that's the bag, how it looks when it's, where's the hole on it?
And that hole is right here.
Oh, that's where it came off?
Yeah.
Get the light in there. There we go.
So this bag is probably good. That's probably
It probably
what
just
happened.
came off.
So they still sell it.
Yeah.
Well, that's good news for you. That was a cheap fix. Yeah. Mercedes has this distinctive sound to them that you know it's an AMG. Either you start it and it's leaking air and you know it's a Mercedes, or it doesn't start. Well, this one actually starts.
I'm surprised. It smoked up the whole street.
Yeah. When was that? Well, it's fixed. Just pull on it, make sure it's not coming off. So according to Baines, he says the front goes up first, then the rear. And it looks like it's pretty much all the way up now.
No, it's gonna go way up.
What'd you put on the high setting? Oh, okay.
So we're gonna off-road now? Can I go send it?
Send it. There you go. So this is the highest setting right there. Alrighty, so that was the problem on his car. The little line came off of this. Let me show you guys. Off of this airbag, and a lot of problems that they do have is so inside here, if you look, kind of hard to tell with the sunlight. That's where the line would go into, and this one was just leaking, or it just came out. So you had to just cut a little bit off and just put it right back in there. He already changed this airbag, and that was I think he said $500 for the original one. But just to double check, if you guys need to change it, just make sure maybe it is just the line and not the whole airbag that went, you know, that's bad. So that's pretty much it. That was a quick little video how to diagnose a problem if you're leaking air on a E63 AMG. This one's 2009, but so yeah, that's pretty much all it is for this video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we got much more videos coming along. We're gonna do like a garage update of all the cars that are here, what's staying, what's leaving. We'll show you guys the house, which I said I would show you guys, still haven't got to it. If you guys like semi trucks, we're working on a Peterbilt. There's also a Freightliner that we're gonna work on, so a little bit of everything on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.